a new channel where I'm going to be cooking with my mom, and we are going to be making fried rice with vegetables. Okay, so I'm so confused. What do we do first?
We have to melt the butter. How much butter do we need?
2 tablespoons.
Okay. So what we're going to do?
Let's see how much is 2 tablespoons.
So as you can see on the butter is measured from one line to another line. It's 1 tablespoon. So how many lines do we need?
2?
2. So because we need 2
Do I
tablespoons.
cut it right there?
You can cut 1 tablespoon next to another tablespoon. So one, but you can open and unwrap the butter. And if you unwrap it, then you can still see the lines here.
Oh.
You can make it smaller pieces,
Oh, that's...
so it's going to melt quicker. So that looks like 1.5. Can you cut this one in half? Yes. We can put it on the pan. Okay. Okay. I'm going to turn on the oven.
Oven?
No.
The stove?
The stove. You are correct.
What do we do next?
So we have to wait for the
Butter to melt?
yes.
Okay.
And what other ingredients do we need?
Vegetables.
How much vegetables do we have?
1 cup.
And
You need 1
rice.
cup? You can cook rice, right?
We have already cooked rice. Yes.
You can use cooked rice. You can use leftover rice.
I mean, cooked rice and leftover. That's the same.
Already cooked rice, and then
Yes.
soy sauce.
How much soy sauce we can use it?
I don't know.
2 tablespoons.
Oh, 2 tablespoons, and then an egg.
1 egg. Okay, so let's wait for the butter to melt.
One slice of butter already melted. Okay, what do you do now?
Take a cup of adding.
Oh, I really didn't have to do much.
Let's prepare the egg. So what I have to do with the egg?
Crack the egg and you have to crack the egg and make sure there are no eggshells.
Can you crack it or do you need that?
I want to do it.
Alright.
After that, you are going to whisk the egg. I'm just using this as an example. We are going to be using a smaller whisk. And don't forget to check on your rice and make sure it doesn't burn. Okay, I think we're going to add the egg or vegetables.
Vegetables.
Okay.
If the vegetables are frozen.
I mean, there's so little bit more. Okay.
You wanna add this?
I forgot to tell you, when you whisk the egg, you want to make sure you don't see any of the white stuff. So that means mine isn't good right now. I'm going to have to keep whisking. Okay, so I'm done whisking, and we are going to pour in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, which I have here. Okay, Mom, tell me what to do next.
Okay, we have to make sure if it's ready for the next step. Everything is ready? Let's see.
Do we add the soy sauce or the egg?
Let's see. Gonna have the first we have to add the soy sauce.
Okay.
So now we have to mix it. Smell it. Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm. It smells good.
The soy sauce.
So, I'm thinking the second to last step is putting in the egg, right?
You are correct. I'll make a mess.
You want me to pour it in now?
And you see that all rice is covered with soy sauce.
It's good.
Okay, let's cover it for like a minute.
It's been cooking for a couple of minutes. I think we are going to do the last step, which is plating it.
Okay. Let's make sure the stove is off. This one is not hot. Oh,
It's loud.
it's sizzling.
Ow. Okay. My hand is shaking.
Okay, let's try it now. Here's a fork.
Okay, which one do you want? I think I want this one.
Okay. So it has it. It's hot. Mmm.
I like it.
If you like with any type of meat, you can add any
Like-
type of meat. We usually add chicken to it.
Wait, so you can add a beef?
You can add beef also.
Well, we are going to finish this up. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if, well, type, like, comment down below what you want to see us make. Bye.
Number